So everyone, Dr. Apoor Mehra is here, and again, welcome to everyone on Conceptual Orthopedics. And we're going to have this session with Dr. Apoor where you can share your ideas, your suggestions, your queries, and most importantly, Dr. Mehra would be sharing what we are going to what you guys might expect with Conceptual Orthopedics in future, right? And sir, we are waiting for a few more people to join. If you feel maybe we can wait.
I will like to speak to Dipendra.
Okay.
So Dipendra, you are from Nepal, right?
Yes, sir.
I got a mail from you for the lectures on polio and CP.
Yes, sir.
So I have spoken to the core team, but Dipendra, before we have the lectures for the polio and CP, there are other important lectures that we would like to cover.
Yes, sir.
So we will try to include those lectures, but at least I will try to get the notes into the notes section for them.
Ji, sir.
Okay, so I'll try to do that better.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Deepak, you had written on YouTube and you had written on, you written a mail also to me. Deepak Mehta. Is Deepak listening to me?
Sir, his audio is not set up yet.
Yeah, so I don't think so he will be able to listen to me.
Dr. Deepak, can you please check your audio?
Yeah, hi Deepak. I can see his face now. Yeah, the movement is occurring.
I think he'll be joining back soon, sir. Dr. Deepak. I know he's there.
Or anything else anybody wants to ask before I start this? Let me know, Anand, when I should start.
So I think we shall begin. I'll keep adding more people as and when they come.
Fantastic. So the thought behind this weekly interaction. There's something that I want to talk about. We have been recording a lot of surgical videos because our surgical work has started. I believe that many of you might have seen the TKR video and the ACL video that we have. I have recorded a knee replacement at the cruciate sacrificing primary TKR. But apart from that, there's an interaction between me and Dr. Bhasin talking about the principles of ACL reconstruction. We have also made a video of distal radius plating with Dr. Shailesh Pai that talks about how to place the plate, the principles of dissection, and how to fix it up. Then there's a video on bone grafting, the iliac crest bone grafting, the points to keep in mind. And then there's a video on femur nailing. So Anant, has that video been placed into the app, the femur nailing that I sent yesterday morning?
It will get uploaded tonight and everyone can see that tomorrow morning.
We are having femur nailing. And next in lining, we have 5 more surgical videos. So you should be tuned very soon. We'll have a surgical video section where you can see the surgeries from the operation theater being recorded and the important steps. So whenever you get a chance as a resident or as a practitioner to operate those cases, if you see those videos, they won't be more than 50 minutes or 40 minutes or 30 minutes. But I'm sure it's going to help you out in your approach to it. I was asked about the MRI and CT recordings and MRI of the spine and knee. I have received a recording of MRI of the knee. I will have to edit it a little bit, and I think so that would be sent to Anand for further upload on the app. And then we'll go to MRI shoulder and spine in the sequence. So that will also be placed. Now, the trauma section is getting uploaded. We will be uploading more cases now. Dr. Manas, I don't know he's here or not, but he had requested for metabolic disorders. So let me try to get, we are speaking to the endo guy. who has promised me within this month we'll have the metabolic lectures. So let me place it on the app. But in the meanwhile, as I had promised, arthritis RA section has been placed completely. And I hope, along with the theory section, the theory part RA, I hope that you people have gone through those lectures and get back to me about our idea of having the subject specialist talking specific things in treatment and management. We have also placed few videos into the foot and ankle side. Do go through them and let us know what you feel about it. Our recent advances has grown by about 20 in last 7 days. The theory section. And that was an area where a lot of DNB people faced a lot of problem last year in the exams in December. This is what is new here, Anant. Anant, can you tell us about some new interactive ways that you're planning with our students?
So guys, just like the Zoom conference, we are planning to have live sessions with Dr. Apoorv Mehra as well in the future, where we will be having YouTube live sessions and Facebook live sessions as well. That will allow you guys to attend those sessions in more detail and understand the kind of topics and content we are planning to add in conceptual orthopedics. Not only that, you guys will have hands-on experience with the interactions with the faculty members as well. Just like Professor Tuli, Professor Bhasin, we are going to have some one-on-one interaction with them, Dr. Mehra and the other members, where you will be given a chance to ask your questions from them. So whatever questions you might have for Professor Bhasin or Professor Tuli, you will have that opportunity to ask those questions and they will be available to give those answers to you. So these are some of the.
ये लोग तो अनंत पूछते ही नहीं है कुछ.
This lot is a silent one. So guys, please go ahead, grill karo Dr. Mehra ko.
So I'm ready to listen
Hello.
to you. So Deepak, we were trying to get to you. आपने मुझे मेल भी लिखा था Deepak, and
Good
you had
evening,
also put on YouTube. Good evening, beta. बताओ. Tell me.
First of all, thank you very much, sir. This is a very good platform for learning concepts and the basics of the subject. Because for the last 8-10 months, I was really struggling to how to actually build the concepts. Because no one teaches us. Actually, we all know that no one usually is very much interested in teaching the PG.
Right. Good, beta. So you are understanding things. आपको समझ आ रही हैं चीजें? Right. So we'll go. Else who wants to ask something? Chinmay Salunke. He is right at the top in my screen. Chinmay.
Guys, just to add in here, if you have any questions regarding the content, what kind of videos that you might want, what kind of notes that you might want, what are your feedback on the app, please feel free to put across your questions. We are here to answer them. Dr. Mehra is here to explain anything related to the curriculum, to the content that we have. So feel free to.
Hi, Kumar. Will you like to ask something?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Please speak.
Yes, actually, 1 to 3 things happen down. Like when we are playing videos, it hangs. When we are split up, like 1.5 or 1.8, it hangs.
Anand, you can note this down, please.
Yes, sir. I'm not jotting those points.
Right.
When we are playing
Send a mail to Deepak for the same.
one and one perfectly fine. And the other thing that I was requesting, if we can put the note, if we can read it on bigger screen, like I can access it on my laptop, because
Deepak, we are losing you. So I think we can talk to him personally. I'll try to speak to him later on. We can go to the next student if anybody wants to ask something.
Dr. Nitish has a question. Dr.
Yeah.
Nitish, please go ahead.
Yeah.
हेलो.
Yes. Hi,
Hello,
Nitish.
good afternoon, sir.
बताओ बेटा. Hi, बेटा बताओ.
हाँ जी. Sir, actually at present I am a third year student
right?
Sir, actually, I was just going through all the videos. Sir, they are very nice, very updated, and I'm very happy. My consultants are also pleased to see those videos, and they are also saying कि बहुत अच्छा platform है ये.
Right.
सर मेरा सर जो डाउट है सर वो ये है कि जो हमारा जो प्रैक्टिकल वर्क है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज, जैसे आपने सर जो हमारे एग्जामिनेशन स्किल्स हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो सर हमारा जो ऑपरेशन थिएटर का जो सर मेन वर्क है सर, मैं उसके लिए थोड़ा सा वरिड हूँ. मुझे उसमें आप ये बताएं कि किस तरह से कोप अप करना चाहिए, बिकॉज थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल दोनों साइड बाय साइड चलने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं गलत टेक्निक से कोई भी ऑपरेटिव फील्ड में अपना स्टेप रखूं. सर ये
नितेश,
प्लीज
तो
मुझे बताएं.
हमने जो सर्जिकल वीडियोस बनाया ना बेटा,
हाँ जी सर.
वो तेरे को समझा देंगे क्या करना है. इससे ज्यादा वो ये समझा देंगे क्या नहीं करना है.
ओके सर.
And just see them and just see what you're doing or what is happening at your place and
हाँ जी
ask your teachers कि वो ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं और आपने यहाँ पे ये देखा.
ठीक है सर.
Both ends
सर
will learn. हम भी सीख सकते हैं कुछ.
हाँ जी सर, मेरा पॉइंट ये था कि क्या पीजी लाइफ में सर ऑब्जर्वेटरी स्किल्स ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, या क्योंकि सर यहाँ पर ऐसा है कि आई ट्राई टू डू द थिंग्स लिटिल, तो जब चांस मिलता है सो आई हैव टू बी ऑन माय टोज कि मुझे तो वो चीज पता होनी चाहिए. सो वहां पर थोड़ी सी सर गड़बड़ी हो जाती है.
देखो लाइफ में अलग अलग फेज आते हैं.
हाँ जी सर.
As a surgeon, we all want to operate in the beginning.
ओके सर.
हमें होता है कि जल्दी जल्दी ये भी कर लें, वो भी कर लें, ये भी कर लें, वो भी कर लें. मेरे को ऐसे था, फिंगर को भी फिक्स करना है, हैंड को भी करना है, रिस्ट को भी करना है, फोर आर्म भी करना है, एल्बो भी करना है. सो हर एक बॉडी पार्ट करना है.
यस सर.
फिर जब ये हो गया तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे इनको बेटर कैसे करना है.
यस सर.
फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे इनमें कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कैसे कम से कम देखनी है.
ओके सर.
और फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को हैंडल कैसे करना है.
ओके सर.
दीज आर फेजेस दैट यू विल गो थ्रू. अभी आप प्रोबेबली फर्स्ट फेज और सेकंड फेज के बीच में हो.
यस यस सर.
कुछ चीजें आप करना चाहते हो और कुछ चीजों में आप बेटर करना चाहते हो.
यस सर. एग्जैक्टली सर.
ऑर्थोपेडिक रेजिडेंसी इज फॉर 6 years.
ओके सर.
3 साल नहीं होती.
राइट राइट सर.
आप अगर उसको 5 से 6 साल में टोटल देखोगे ना,
हाँ जी सर.
सब बराबर हैं. बट जिनको ये होता है ना, मैं जल्दी से ये भी कर लूं, जल्दी से ये भी कर लूं, फाइनली दे एक्वायर्ड स्किल्स व्हिच दे कैन नेवर लर्न बेटर.
सर दैट्स एग्जैक्टली माय क्वेश्चन आल्सो कि मुझे अब, क्योंकि सर एक हर एक का अपना अपना एक फंडा होता है, तो सर मेरा फंडा ये है कि आफ्टर 3 years जब मैं अपनी यहाँ से डिग्री करके निकलूं, मुझे इतना मिनिमम आना चाहिए. बट व्हाट इज दैट मिनिमम, वो सर आप मुझे काइंडली गाइड कीजिए. एक सर एक गोल होना चाहिए कि हाँ भी मुझे ये चीज तो इतनी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मुझे पता होनी चाहिए, इतने मेरे जो क्लिनिकल स्किल्स हैं वो शार्प होने चाहिए.
राइट. आपको अच्छी तरह से प्लास्टर लगाना आना चाहिए.
हाँ जी सर.
आपको बेसिक बीमारियों की क्लिनिकल डायग्नोसिस आनी चाहिए.
हाँ जी सर.
आपको उनका बेसिक कंजर्वेटिव मैनेजमेंट आना चाहिए.
ओके सर.
सर्जरीज में आपको प्लेटिंग और नेलिंग की टेक्निक आनी चाहिए.
राइट सर.
आपको हिप में हेमी आर्थोप्लास्टी तक आना चाहिए.
ओके.
ये
मतलब मुझे मेरे एक बार किया होना चाहिए मतलब.
हाँ, आपको मतलब इसको पता होना चाहिए कैसे करना चाहिए. इनिशियली अगर आप बाहर जाते हैं प्रैक्टिस में, तो आप हो सकता है किसी सीनियर को बुला के उसकी हेल्प में उसके साथ सुपरविजन में कर लें जब आपका अपना पेशेंट हो.
ओके सर.
अगली बार आप कर लेंगे अगर आपको प्रिंसिपल्स पता है, आपको ये पता है अगर कि मेरा एंट्री पॉइंट कैसे होता है, मुझे केलकार के पास कैसे जाना है,
हाँ जी सर. हाँ जी.
मुझे रीम कैसे करना है, मुझे इस्टमस कैसे संभालना है,
ठीक है सर.
मुझे ड्रिलिंग की क्या फील है, मुझे टैप की क्या फील है, वो बेसिक चीजें आपको आनी चाहिए.
यस.
बट
राइट.
इमीडिएटली 3 साल के बाद बाहर जाके कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं करता बेटा.
ओके सर.
सो यू हैव टू अक्वायर मोर. जल्दी मत करना.
ठीक है सर.
जिस दिन तुम ये बेसिक चीजें जानते हो प्लेटिंग नेलिंग में, देन प्रैक्टिस में आना.
ओके सर.
प्लस आजकल फेलोशिप्स का ट्रेंड है. सो डिसाइड द एरिया वेयर यू वांट टू लर्न द फेलोशिप फ्रॉम.
राइट सर.
सो अभी सिंस यू आर इन थर्ड ईयर, इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक टाइम. यू मस्ट बी डेवलपिंग एन इंटरेस्ट.
यस सर. यस सर. एग्जैक्टली सर. राइट नाउ वी आर गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज आल्सो.
राइट.
कि हाँ जी, कि अब जैसे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नाउ वी आर अकस्टम्ड टू एवरीथिंग, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, द बेसिक नॉलेज. तो दैट इज व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन वाज सर, दैट यू हैव क्लियर्ड
तो हम
Thank
लोग
you,
एक
sir.
कंसेप्चुअल कनेक्ट करके प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं जिसके बारे में
Okay.
अनंत ने आपको बोला.
हाँ जी सर.
Conceptual connect will be talking to the senior faculties. How did they shape their career?
Yes sir.
यहाँ तक वो कैसे पहुंचे, उन्होंने कैसे चूज किया उनको क्या करना है.
Yes sir.
Why he became an arthroscopy surgeon, why he became an arthroplasty surgeon.
Yes sir. Sir, we listened to the recent that foot and ankle class by Dr. Amit.
And
हाँ जी, that was a fantastic class sir.
that is what I'm saying. So अब क्या है कि अब वो टाइम नहीं है बेटा कि you will have to go through the same training for 20 years.
Yes sir.
आज मैं कहता हूँ अगर आपको कंप्यूटर नेविगेशन सीखना है और रिप्लेसमेंट सीखना है, so it is better to learn replacement by computer navigation at an early stage of your life,
Okay sir.
so that your skills are set according to doing a computer navigation replacement, rather than learning the conservative and then going to computer navigation.
Okay. Okay sir.
But you should have a clarity in your mind what you want to do.
Hmm.
The future is, there will always be a scope to become a good orthopedic surgeon. Basics should be very clear,
Okay sir.
because आपके पास सारे patient आएंगे, all the patients will come to you.
Yes.
But the future is always going towards a specialty.
Okay sir.
And as many people say, if 2 to 3 years you stick to the specialty that you want,
Yes sir.
your name will start growing in that area. Coming to
Okay.
Chinmay's question, Chinmay has written how to effectively use this app. So I have made a video of about 11 minutes in which I have explained, if you are a first year postgraduate, these are the things and these are the initial videos and notes you should see. If you are a second year who has just joined the app, do what I have written in the first part, the first area of the first year, then start doing the next level. And if you are the exam going, obviously you have to do everything, but then the sequence I have mentioned. So that video will be placed in the app very soon. And I think, Anant, this is what will answer Chinmay's question.
Correct, sir. That
Right.
will be live soon.
Right. Deepak, is your connection stable?
Yes sir, now it's okay.
Unstable होता है, so we lose you. बताओ बेटा.
Yes sir. Sir, actually एक चीज मुझे ये पूछनी थी कि once I complete my PG, मतलब what I have seen few people do 2-3 years of 4 years of trauma and then they go for fellowship for a specific thing. But few of my seniors told if you want to do like spine arthroplasty, then why would you waste your 3-4 years for trauma only?
मैं एक बात बता दूं दीपक.
Sir.
आप कोई भी स्पेशलिटी कर दो, ट्रॉमा आपके पास हमेशा आएगा.
Sir.
आप बाहर बैठ के कर लोगे और आपके घर वालों की हड्डियां टूटेंगी तो क्या करोगे?
Sir.
Second point, आज भी majority of the cities do not have good trauma surgeons.
Okay sir.
So if you can excel in trauma, imagine where you can reach.
Okay sir.
And trauma, I've already told you, is a common sense. As Dr. Tuli says, it's a common sense. And if you develop a common sense, you are a successful orthopedician.
Okay.
So don't try for shortcuts, Deepak.
Sir.
Learn the tissue handling. Trauma teaches you tissue handling, which is equal to understanding the art of orthopedics.
Okay.
मुझे ये सिखाया गया था, अगर आप रेडियस की प्लेटिंग कर रहे हैं, after you have put the plate, leave the tissues. If the tissues are just in line and the skin is very close, it means the dissection is beautiful.
Okay.
But if you have done a Henry's approach and you can see the plate from the top, it means you have not respected the tissues.
Okay.
And this soft tissue handling I applied when I became a knee surgeon.
Yes sir.
So Deepak, education connected hai. You can't separate it out.
Okay sir.
And I think that's something which you should value till the time आपको decide नहीं होता कि क्या करना है.
Yes sir.
Second point, I will connect Nitish and Deepak here. आपस में मैं तुम दोनों को connect करता हूँ. That you people would have seen a lot of trauma.
Yes sir.
Right sir.
You people would have seen a lot of trauma in your residency.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
And further, once you come out of residency, you might not have done enough.
Exactly
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Confidence कैसे आएगा आपको? अगर आपने फीमर में नेल नहीं डाली, इमेजिन करिए, there are centers where I know people do 3 years of PG, don't put a nail in femur. फिर आप कैसे रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जन बन जाओगे यार?
ओके
सो और दूसरी बात, आप अपने आप से तो सच बोलोगे ना।
यस सर।
देर आर प्लेसेस, जैसे मैं एक इंस्टीट्यूट से आया था, वहाँ रिप्लेसमेंट बहुत कॉमनली नहीं होता था, बट मुझे सीखना था।
यस सर
आज मैं रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जन हूँ।
सर
So you have to travel to reach your destination, boss. Trauma is traveling to every destination. Trauma आप कहीं भी जाओगे मिलेगा ही मिलेगा।
तो सर इससे सर एक
Okay.
और क्वेश्चन भी आता है दिमाग में कि आफ्टर माय थर्ड ईयर या फिर अभी जैसे मेरा थर्ड ईयर अभी जस्ट शुरू ही हुआ है,
Yes.
तो जो फेलोशिप्स हैं सर, तो फेलोशिप्स के बारे में मुझे अभी से ही सोचना चाहिए या फिर जैसे अभी प्लान होना चाहिए कि अभी थर्ड ईयर कर लूं?
देना चाहिए, आप अप्लाई कर देना चाहिए, कोई नुकसान नहीं है।
सर देन व्हाट अबाउट सर ट्रॉमा, देन जो एसआरशिप में हम जो ट्रॉमा सीख सकते हैं फिर वो?
अप्लाई करने से कोई तुम्हारे लिए बेटा थाली में जाके थोड़ा बैठा है, आओ बेटा ज्वाइन करो।
हाँ जी सर, मैं वही कह रहा था कि अगर
There's a waiting period of 2 years and then you can further request
ओके सर,
an extension after 6 months or 1 year. I think so that can work like that.
यस ठीक है सर।
एंड सर
How much to study?
रिकमेंडेड
Dr.
बुक्स
Siddharth का question है, how much to study apart from the videos and notes? ये ऐप आपको बताता है कि आपकी पढ़ाई कैसे होनी चाहिए, आपका पेशेंट, how your patient approach should be, how you should examine a patient, how you should behave with a patient, what is a systematic approach on any area that you go through. For example, if you are going through spine, what's the order in which to go for? What are you looking as a surgeon, as a student, as an academician? Apart from that, wherever you feel you need to supplement it, you need to go through the textbooks or other places. And also when you see the patients next time, you should be able to understand that this is what I saw in conceptual video and that is how you should reply. How much to study apart from videos and notes, Siddharth? You have to keep on doing it every day. The way we are adding the videos, try to stay abreasted with it. If you are abreasted with it, that is good enough. Good evening, sir. My first day with the app, heard with the brilliant lecture of osteomyelitis. I am third year resident, started my studies just in third year. Will I be able to prepare for MS exam through this app? Thank you. So Dr. Vikram, there is no doubt that you will be able to do very well in your exams. There is no doubt of iota that you have some restriction going through this app. But again, there is a system that is to be followed. Learn the basic history and examination of all the systems. If you know that, you will have no problem. With the app, we have to use Campbell side by side. I will tell you very honestly, Dipendra, if I am a student and I subscribe to Conceptual, I will still read Campbell's with it. I will not like to substitute Campbell's. Please have this clear message. You have to see textbooks. You have no shortcut. You are a resident of orthopedics. You are no more writing an entrance exam in the country. You have to excel in one subject. कोई कुंजी नहीं है ये ऐप की मैंने ये नोट्स पढ़ लिए हो गया, नहीं. The notes are also the basis on which you have to build up. Please have a clarity on this. And whatever you don't understand in Campbell's, I can promise you the lectures will help you. Let's take it the other way around. You will read Campbell, it might have you more information. But from that topic, how much do you need? Conceptual can tell you. Sometimes you read 8-page articles, you don't understand usme kya hai. A 2-page notes in Conceptual can help you finish that topic. So you are brilliant people. You are taking orthopedics. Orthopedics हमेशा अच्छे लोग ही लेते हैं यार. So you have to apply your brain how to utilize the content. Can I pass with this? You can get a gold medal with this. Nobody can stop you. Is it reliable? If you answer this, this is what the examiner wants to listen to you. Deepak, I'll come back to you. I have to answer 8 questions before I come back to you. You had your chance, I'll come back to you. So you have to have that patience, that you have to create a balance between going for a book and conceptual. But he has videos, the examination videos, my recommendation, spine, hip, knee, shoulder, elbow. See them 2 times at least. Do not ignore that, because those are the things you should know. How the teacher is holding the knee, how he is demonstrating the knee reflex, ankle reflex, superficial reflexes, Allen's test. These things have to be very carefully seen, because in the exam, they can just ask you, do a knee jerk. If you do it, you pass. And if you don't do it, then things might get difficult. This is what I want to explain. Next question, sir. I got the PG seat and I am going to join the college soon. What should I do now? I mean, when should I start the app? You should start the app right now and see the basic theory and examination questions. I just entered second year and I know where to start study and what should we complete by the end of first year and second year. So I believe that Anant, all the questions are on just my video that I've made.
Correct. Right, sir.
So if we just place that video, that is in 11-12 minutes, can explain you how to go about in the app and how to follow it. So this is the question that Priyanka asked. And then what should be the basic theory book or note I must keep as a base? We are making a PowerPoint. In that PowerPoint, we will be telling you what all books to read from. So Jagati ma'am, can you arrange that PowerPoint and give it to Anant, which he can work it up? This is being made by Abhinav, who's a consultant at KEM Hospital.
Yes, sir. Dr. Abhinav has said he will be sending it maybe in a day or so.
So we will try
We
to
should
upload
expect
it by
it by
Monday.
Yes, sir.
So we will
Sure.
upload it on Monday. Anant, you will have to notify all these speakers that we are uploading a PPT, what topics to read from which book.
All right, sir.
So that will tell you how we are doing it in different colleges. I believe you people should also contribute and get back to us. I am very sure the kind of people you are. You can also tell us कि sir आपने ताजियान से pediatric orthopedics लिखा है. But why not Campbell's? उसमें भी अच्छा दिया हुआ है. We can compare. We can ask Dr. Kumar, Dr. Dhal or Dr. Tuli to compare it and actually tell you कहाँ से पढ़ना चाहिए. We have this advantage. So we can talk to our teachers and get you the feedback about the list that is being made, or your feedback and integrate a better PowerPoint. The next question. So here Nitish has commented the video by Dr. Jitesh regarding books explains it, but few students wanted more elaborate. And a JR1 should start a bit trauma videos or go through spine. Go through the systems, do trauma as you keep on seeing it.
So we have a question from Dr. Tushar as well. He has raised his hand for quite a while. So
Right, we are waiting for Deepak to first answer, then I'll go to Tushar.
okay.
Yes, Deepak, your turn now and then we'll go to Tushar.
Yeah, sir, actually अभी कुछ पूछना नहीं है, just एक चीज I just want to say thanks कि when I watched Dr. SM Tuli's video, I was like, I got this book and I'm very pretty much done with 2 sections of this, only 1 section is left.
Wow. So आपको
So-
जल्दी पढ़ने में help हुआ उससे. You feel that?
Very much, sir.
Yes.
Otherwise I was not able to get a book of TB only कि उस पूरी TB की किताब को मैं पढूं. It was like कि ठीक है book से एक section पढ़ लिया. Otherwise when after watching the videos I was confident enough कि हाँ मुझे समझ आ जाएगा, I can get a book.
Now you have to understand what he just said. He has not left the book. उसने ये नहीं किया कि book को छोड़ दिया. मैं भी यही आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ. As a teacher, as your friend, if I tell you book छोड़ दो और ये पढ़ लो, नहीं, गलत है. आपका मैं नुकसान कर दूंगा in the long run. एम है आपको डॉक्टर तुली ऐसा बनाना, वहां तक पहुंचाना. और उसके लिए आपको पता है डॉक्टर तुली आज भी रोज 10 पेज पढ़ते हैं. He is 88. In his room, if you go to meet him, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता उनके हाथ में आर्टिकल ना हो. He might not be using the technology that we are using, but he is sitting on the technology right in the front. आपकी नॉलेज ये कर सकती है आपके साथ. So आपको बुक्स पढ़नी है. बुक्स का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट हो ही नहीं सकता यार.
Yes, sir.
सालों साल जर्नल्स में जो आता है वो बुक की एक लाइन बनती है. आप लोग ये समझिए. People read an article and quote it कि आर्टिकल में लिखा है. यार बुक में जो लिखा है that's more important. Coming to the next question. I am JR1. I have done all the slab and cast in. Due to overload, I am not sure what is the perfect way. Right. So you have applied the slabs and cast. ये first point है. Second point है, उपेंद्र, what is happening to these patients जिनका आप slab and cast लगा रहे हो? आपको पेशेंट या सर्जरी नहीं सिखाती, आपको फॉलो अप सिखाता है सर्जिकल ब्रांचेस में. और जब आप उनका फॉलो अप देखोगे, आपने जो स्लैब लगाया उसमें पेशेंट अनकंफर्टेबल कितना है, कंफर्टेबल कितना है, कौन सा टूटा कौन सा नहीं टूटा, कितने लेयर का बनाया.
Okay, sir.
You will understand things. It's a gradual learning, boss. But क्या हम लोग अपने ऐप में स्लैब और कास्ट लगाना सिखाएंगे? क्या हम ट्रैक्शन सिखाएंगे? So answer is yes. So yesterday night we have a meeting. So we had a meeting with all the teams and they said that we should be building it up. So now we are making that, because अगर हमने आपको प्लास्टर लगाने नहीं सिखाया फिर क्या फायदा हुआ? I was a resident and मैं हमेशा देख के सीखा, पर मेरे को एक बार एक टीचर ने बोला, apply a slab, the first bandage should go around the toes, the second should roll on the ankle and the third should go on the foot. So देखिए आप जैसे foot है, पहला roll, second roll, third roll, first, second, third, कभी constriction नहीं होगा. 2005, आज 2020 है, मेरे पास कोई प्लास्टर नहीं आया कि टाइट बन गई बैंडेज. पहला बैंडेज, दूसरा, तीसरा. ये फुट है, एंकल है, ये लेग है. हम भी यही करना चाहते हैं. So this is what we want to teach. स्कैफोइड कास्ट लगाया, लोग स्कैफोइड कास्ट लगाते हैं, रिस्ट में डॉर्सिफ्लेक्शन नहीं होता, थंब इज नॉट इन लाइन विद रेडियस, वो ग्लास होल्डिंग बनता ही नहीं है, फिर पेशेंट को चुपता रहता है या परेशान होता है वो. So we are going to make sure that हम ये वाला एस्पेक्ट भी सिखाएं. And I will like to know the feedback. आप लोग क्या फील करते हैं, ये होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
Sir, it's very important.
होना चाहिए सर.
डेफिनेटली होना चाहिए सर.
क्योंकि अगर यार आप प्रस्ता नहीं लगाओगे ना, मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूँ वो पेशेंट कभी अपनी फैमिली में किसी को आपसे ऑपरेट नहीं कराएगा.
सर my HOD says I can give you do nailing और plating but cast मैं खुद लगाऊंगा.
समझे आप? सिमिलरली बोन ग्राफ्टिंग, आपको लगता है आज भी बड़े बड़े सर्जन्स ग्राफ्ट खुद निकालते हैं, ग्राफ्टिंग खुद करते हैं? तो कहते हैं प्लेट लगा लो अपने आप नॉन यूनियन में, रोज पेटलिंग मैं करूंगा, फ्रेशनिंग द मार्जिन मैं करूंगा, मेडलरी कैविटी मैं खोलूंगा, ग्राफ्ट में लगाऊंगा. हमें समझ नहीं आता कि क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि सक्सेस ही उस पर डिपेंड करती है यार. दैट इज व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ कंसेप्चुअल. नाउ एवरीबडी गेट्स अ किक, मैंने 4 स्क्रू लगा लिए. दैट डजंट मेक यू एन ऑर्थोपेडिशियन. प्लेट्स तो स्क्रू तो यार कारपेंटर भी लगाता ही नहीं लगाता. But we are glorified carpenters, and the difference between a carpenter and glorified carpenters is the whole world. सारी दुनिया उसी word में छुपी हुई है. So coming to the next question, I am second year DNB resident. I want to know that, sir, many more videos which are not in the app will be added or not. Everything will be there. Like fractures on ankle and foot. So fracture on ankle is already there, boss. So foot fractures we'll try to get done, but ankle fracture already there. So I was talking to Dr. Shailesh just before the Zoom call, because he's handling trauma here. So Dr. Shailesh Pai says I'll try to cover old trauma as much as I can. So Dr. Sharad had asked me what all trauma things can be covered. We'll try to do as much as possible. In fact, from next time we will have more faculties in these type of Zoom calls, so that you can ask the questions to them as well. If videos on common emergency procedures are also added, like external fixator application, amputation at levels, it will be there. Amputations is already there. External fixator is already there. They are in the trauma section. Please have a look at them. Calcaneum fracture, I will put in a request and see when it can be placed. Right. Anything else you want to ask? Because all the questions which were typed, I have answered.
Dr. Tushar I think he still has a question.
Tushar, I'm really sorry. Please, please, please. Waiting to listen to you.
Sir, I just wanted to highlight some technical things that I highlighted before also.
Right.
Some new things that I have noticed. One of them being that can the notes be made searchable, just as the videos have been made searchable.
So
We are not able to search through the notes.
right. So search feature
I
should
think
be
that
there
is a
in the
possible
note.
thing to do.
I think so. Anand, can we do that?
And
Yes, the notes can be searchable, but it's not going. The search is not going to work exactly the way the videos are being searched, because you see, we need to keep these notes very secret and discreet. So, but yes, to answer your question, notes will be searchable in the next update.
yeah, sure. Just by the heading, if they can be made searchable, that would be good enough.
Certainly, we are looking into that.
All right. Another thing that I wanted to highlight is that whenever we are using the application in the split screen mode, the toggle for the enhancing the speed and changing the quality of the video vanishes somewhere. And if at all the toggle is there, whenever I'm pressing the toggle, there is no option to go back to the video, only in split screen mode
Okay,
in iOS.
got it. We'll take a look at it, Dr. Tushar. Thank you for that feedback. We'll definitely take a look at it.
Tushar,
Yeah,
I would
and
like to also suggest, please, can you put a mail on for all this? I will personally get in touch with him and try to get you a reply.
yeah, sure, sir.
Thank you very much. One more question has come. I am a third year. I'm writing the exam this month. After I finish off, what do? I joined SRship or trauma fellowship, right? So, number one, what is the difference between SRship and trauma fellowship? What is the difference? Let me understand. Number two, I'll start with number two. All the best for your exam, and you must get a very good score. That is one. Fellowship is something which is mainly OT based or that patient based, that pool based. SRship is overall assessment of the patient, visualization in the OPD, all the spectrums, conservative operative management of all the spectrums in that setup. And you are just like next to the consultant as you are. So the difference between SRship and trauma fellowship is trauma fellowship is immediately when you have not done enough cases is preparing a butcher. You are ready to go and operate. That's it. You are not having what I just discussed, a proper evaluation as an orthopedic surgeon, what you want to become. You still don't have, apart from the surgical point, you don't have the diagnostic acumen which you need to develop. And believe me, many people learn surgeries earlier than they learn the diagnostic acumen. So an SRship will develop you as a person who can handle everything, diagnose and treat. Do that for a decent period, and you have written yourself that I don't have enough exposure. So you know yourself the answer is you should do SRship for a few years, and then maybe you can take up a trauma fellowship. Also, most of the hospitals, when you are SR, will give you enough trauma to operate. So your work of a trauma fellowship is already going hand in glove. So first try to become a complete orthopedician, understanding everything, and then try to narrow you down. Don't try to finish off very soon. Next.
We have a question from
I got MS Ortho. I still have not subscribed to app. When should I get the app? If I get that, what should I watch? What books to follow in PG? So you should start from the first year, basic videos of clinical examination. And as already told, many students here have not joined, but they have taken the app. Thank you so much for the notes. I can read that side by side in casualty also. You are most welcome. Any guidelines for thesis will be in our apps, just query. We will not be having guidelines for thesis, but yes, there will be ideas of the topics that you want to take. And in case you need any help, we are there for you, because our teachers have been head of the departments in many hospitals and they have good experience in conducting these theses. We can definitely help you out. Write a mail to us. We will be developing a system for the same. If you are a first year, what book to purchase? purchase a McCree's. There cannot be anything which is better than a McCree's. Surgical videos, 10 videos will be available in next 3-4 days. Thank you, sir. You are most welcome always. So there is no pending question as of now. So anybody who wants to ask me something.
Dr. Upendra, please go ahead. You can ask your question.
Yes, Upendra, I'm listening.
Sir, good evening.
Hi.
Sir, we learned sir, in this PG period, what should be the sir base so that we can revise to the maximum? मतलब बेस किस चीज को बनाना चाहिए सर? नोट्स को बना लें या खुद के नोट्स बना के मतलब जो लॉन्ग टर्म में हमेशा हेल्प करें इसमें रिवीजन ताकि होता रहे?
मैं बताऊं आपको जो मैंने किया। मेरा बेस कैम्बल।
सर कैम्बल बेस बनाना पॉसिबल हो पाएगा सर? मतलब इतना सर मतलब 3 साल में इतनी बिजनेस रहती
मैं
है सर।
यूसीएमएस में था और बहुत हैवी था, वहाँ पे जान निकल जाती थी काम कर करके। बट अगर मैं वहां रह के कर सकता हूँ तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनका ज्यादा टाइम है, वो कर लेते। आई थिंक कैम्बल्स इज वन बुक विच कैन हेल्प यू अ लॉट उपेंद्र। आपको टॉपिक्स पढ़ने हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट जो केसेस आ रहे हैं और जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं। बहुत सारे एरियाज हैं जो आपको नहीं पढ़ने होते।
ओके सर।
आपको रॉबिन्स याद है पैथोलॉजी की सेकंड ईयर में?
यस सर, एग्जैक्टली। यस सर।
वो अच्छी किताब थी।
यस सर।
पहली अच्छी किताब थी जो हम पढ़ते हैं एमबीबीएस में। फर्स्ट ईयर में तो समझ नहीं आता क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में हमारी।
एग्जैक्टली।
कैम्बल्स भी वैसी किताब है, उसकी लैंग्वेज भी वैसी है।
ओके सर।
सिर्फ कैम्बल्स नहीं, साथ में कुछ आर्टिकल्स, कुछ और बुक्स के पेजेस। बट इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल बुक, आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट। फर्स्ट ईयर को स्टार्ट करना चाहिए मैकरीज से, और साथ में डॉक्टर एसएम तुली की किताब ट्यूबरकुलोसिस की आपको पढ़नी पड़ेगी। आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं, पढ़नी ही पड़ेगी। सो एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? या दीपक बताओ।
Sir, I'm audible.
Oh yes, you are fantastic.
Sir, only two things are there. कि एक तो one my consultant used to say कि people say us carpenters but we are gardeners.
Yeah, you are true. हमें glorified carpenter सिखाया, gardener और भी सुंदर है।
And the another thing sir जो मैंने मेरे कंसल्टेंट के पास सीखी, उन्होंने दिखाया मुझे कि वो अपने रेसिडेंसी के टाइम जो भी ओटी करते थे वो ओटी नोट्स में डालते थे, बट वो अपने घर आके एक रजिस्टर में भी अपने नोट्स लिखते थे कि मैंने आज इस केस में क्या गलतियां की।
You are right.
और उन्होंने वो मुझे 4 रजिस्टर्स दिए, बट उनकी राइटिंग पढ़ने लायक नहीं थी तो समझ नहीं आया। बट ही साइड कि मैंने अगर मैं अपनी प्रैक्टिस में जाऊंगा और मैं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम नेलिंग कर रहा हूँ या कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे पता है मैंने रेसिडेंसी में कहाँ गलती की।
इसीलिए रेजिडेंसी का पीरियड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इट्स जस्ट लाइक ट्रेनिंग एट द राइट एज। अगर आप एक बार ठीक से सीख गए, और आप लोगों से बात करके मुझे और भी रियलाइज होता है कंसेप्चुअल ऑर्थोपेडिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट था इंडिया के लिए।
Pretty much, sir.
If you are good in India, you are probably the best in the world. It's the truth. अगर आप यहाँ पर अच्छे में निकल के आ गए, you will rule the world. Why not? जिस ग्रुप में आप लोग बैठे हैं,
Sir.
उन्होंने अलग अलग स्टेज में कहीं ना कहीं आगे निकल के आए हैं सब कुछ छोड़ के। But then people get lost here. उनको लगता है ज्वाइन हो गया, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स हो गया। नहीं हुआ। It is just like जब एमबीबीएस ज्वाइन किया था, क्या फर्क पड़ा था? कुछ नहीं हुआ ना, घंटा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा। सेम ऑर्थोपेडिक्स भी ज्वाइन करके कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा। अब आप क्या करते हो उससे फर्क पड़ेगा।
Yes,
और सिमिलरली बेटा, डिग्री आने के बाद, क्यों नितेश तुम अब डिग्री लेने वाले हो कुछ टाइम में?
यस सर।
तुम्हें अंदर से पता है ना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
3 साल बहुत कम टाइम है यार, जब 88 ईयर्स का बंदा बैठ के रोज पढ़ता है। आप सोचो ना, आप कुछ तो समझो। मैं आपको एक वादा करता हूँ, बहुत रेयर ब्रांचेज हैं जिसमें इनफ मेडिकल और सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट है। यू कैन वर्क एज एमडी मेडिसिन, यू कैन वर्क एज अ सर्जन, बोथ हैं। इसीलिए हमेशा कंटेंट हो। दूसरा, स्टार्टिंग में रेडियोलॉजिस्ट का कर्व ऐसे चढ़ता है, ऑर्थोपेडिशियन का ऐसे चढ़ता है, पर फिर वो चढ़ता है तो फिर चढ़ता रहता है। सो तुम अभी नीचे वाले फेज में हो ना, तुम्हें लग रहा होगा यार ये सब तो बढ़िया है इनकी जिंदगी। Don't worry. In the long run, हड्डी का डॉक्टर का काम बढ़िया चलता है. So don't worry about it. It's a beautiful branch, I can tell you that. So we are gardeners and we will learn from our mistakes.
Right, sir.
I don't want you to thank me in the messages. I want you to ask me, trouble me, complain. So ठीक है भाई, that is what I want to say. All the best to all of you. See you next week.
Thank you very much, sir.
You
Thank you,
are
sir. Thank
always
you.
welcome, all of
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Anything,
Thank you so much,
anything,
sir.
Jagati ma'am, you want to tell them?
Sir.
Well, let me begin before Jagriti ma'am comes in. So, guys,
Right.
we really appreciate all of your time, and we will definitely meet again. Come prepared with more questions. We want you to grill us, grill Dr. Mehra, grill me. Grill the app as far as the technology is concerned, the content is concerned. We would love to answer your questions. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So ma'am wants to speak something, or we can sign off?
Same thing as Anant has said, grill us more. We have 1 week. In this 1 week, send us more queries that we come prepared and we can give you answers. Give us more suggestions so that we can give you more of our best.
Sir, one more last thing. I have sent that mail also.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
आवाज नहीं आ रही है. कौन बोल रहा है?
Please raise your hand, whoever wishes to speak. If you could raise your hand. Yes, Dr.
Deepak, बताओ.
Sir, I have sent the mail also regarding if we can make a group or Telegram where with all the subscribers can be there and we can ask the query. That will be easy.
We are making a system in the app for the query.
Okay,
Answered by the faculties.
Okay, sir.
We will call it the professor. Money haste wala hai na, the professor.
Okay, sir.
It will be called as the professor. We are going to get you the answers right, not just from anybody. We'll get you from the best guys.
Okay, sir.
जो चीज आपने मांगी ना दीपक, why not to answer your questions from Dr. Tuli for tuberculosis?
That will be my pleasure, sir.
This is what we want to do, यार. करना भी यही है ना. Why not to have the best people to answer it?
Sir.
We are developing a system in the app. Just have patience, boss. जो
Okay,
आपने सोचा है उससे ज्यादा जान लगाएंगे हम लोग.
Thank you very much, sir.
ठीक है?
Sir.
And I hope कि जितने लोग हफ्ते में आते हैं, एक दिन मेरी जगह बैठ के भी बातें करेंगे सबसे.
Right, sir.
Right, sir. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Bye. Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Thank you so
Bye,
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, everybody. All the best. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.